Hey guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a Vogue style makeup routine. I've been watching these Beauty Secret Vogue videos everywhere lately, and I wanted to try to make one myself. I don't know who to give credit to for this, like who started this like pretending to be on Vogue little trend, but whoever did, credit to them. Please comment it down below and I'll edit the description box. I just don't know who actually started it. With all that being said, I'm going to literally just be pretending like I am on Vogue because I feel like that would be really cool and I love watching them. So to start off, I'm wearing my robe. Now this is a silk satin $400 robe, and it's just a must to wear it in this makeup routine because how else would I get ready, right? And to start off, I have my $1,000 clips that I must use every single day, and I just use them to pin my hair back because I don't need my hair in my face. So now that I look somewhat decent with my hair out of my face, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I always do is skincare. Skincare is very important, and I will say that I do a lot of my skincare at night. I use this like face gel, I use a face mask, which I actually only started doing recently, and then I also use face wash and cleansing gel. But for right now, literally all I'm going to do is wash my face because that's what I like to do every morning, and then I splash it with cold water. I heard that cold water does a lot of good benefits for your skin, so that's what I've been doing lately. And I also use this cream for hydrating. Now this is going to sound weird, but I only put this on my nose and my neck because my face tends to react to products very easily, and for some reason my face reacts to this but my nose doesn't. So it somewhat hydrates my skin, but I do want to say the gel that I use at night has hydrating cream in it, so that's what I use to also hydrate the rest of my face. So to start off, I like to use a Dove cleansing gel to wash everything off my face the second I wake up, but it's been like 5 hours. But this is Vogue, so we're gonna pretend I just woke up and have my life perfectly together and am in a perfectly happy mindset right now. Oh my gosh, is the door open? No, this is Vogue. No, that can't happen. Let's try this again. Roll the clips. So I'm supposed to probably start all over because that was open, but I'm not going to. Where is my soap? This is good. This is good. We're doing good, guys. This is a perfect Vogue style video. Well, at least we know why I'm not on Vogue. Even though there's so many other reasons why. I'm gonna go get my soap. I found it. I'm also in my mom's bathroom because as per usual, my bathroom is a mess. But I use this Dove Sensitive Skin Bar and I just wash my face with it. I actually still have the cleansing gel on, so if my face looks a little crusty, that's why. And then you just put it all over your face. Really get inside the pores, clean out every area of your face. I would like to say that I don't get how people wear robes. Mine never stays shut, ever. All right, but now that my face is washed and I feel clean, I don't know, washing my face in the morning just makes me feel like so clean and I love it. The next thing I do is I use my Vaseline right here and I just use this all over my lips. I count this as skincare because, I don't know, I do this every morning. Okay, now I use my cream that I showed you guys before. I should probably use face cream because that would probably be more into like the beauty secrets, but I don't do that. I know I'm supposed to be on Vogue right now, but just to be honest, I don't do that. So I put that on my neck and on my nose and like over here, and that is that. Now, I did order I think it's called a gua sha. I definitely said that wrong, but that thing that's trending on TikTok that goes like this and like it's supposed to like get the fluids out of your face. I did order that. That would be in my skincare routine as well, but it's not here yet. And now we are all set to start our makeup. The first thing I do is I prime my face. However, I do not have primer because I ran out of primer. So we're going to pretend I just primed my face with $500 primer. Next, I use my little Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation from Laura Mercier. All right, so I take my beauty blender and I put the foundation all over my face. I like to do the little like dotting technique, so you literally just go like this with the beauty blender. I've also found it very helpful to wet the beauty blender because it helps spread the foundation more, but of course I didn't do that because I forgot. But that is what I should have done. We're literally just going to continue to like move your hand in a dotting motion, and it's going to blend in the foundation very nicely. Now you see even my neck right now is itching very bad from the cream that I just put on my neck. So should I have done that? No. Did I do it for the video? Yeah. So if you're watching this right now and you don't mind, please give the video a thumbs up. All right, once I am done with that and I feel like the foundation makes me look somewhat more put together, I go in with this Studio Mac Fix powder, I think it is, and I just put this lightly all over my face. Now, I am supposed to be using translucent powder, but once again, I don't have that. So I'm not using that, I'm using this, but it'll work. It'll work somewhat the same, and it does. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of powder because I feel like for my face, it makes my face look very cakey, but I use it anyway because I feel like I need to. So if anyone has tips on that, please let me know. Now, I was watching a different girl's video and she was like, I'm not supposed to be asking for tips in these videos because it's supposed to be like, you know everything in this video about like what you're doing for your makeup routine. But to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. So if someone wants to let me know how to make this not look cakey, please feel free, even though this is supposed to be me pretending to be on Vogue. So next I'm going to start with my eyebrows. Now for my eyebrows, I literally do the simplest thing ever. I cannot find my eyebrow brush. I use this Glossier little boy brow brush, and this is literally perfect in my opinion. It's like a gel, but in my opinion, it does the job. So what I do is I just take the brush and I usually like get off some of the excess that is on the brush just so it's not overwhelming, and I literally just comb through my eyebrow and it kind of tints it at the same time, which this is one of my favorite products, especially from Glossier. I think it does such a good job, and I actually heard of this product, I think it was from Hannah Marie, and whenever she used it in her video, I was like, wow, this is amazing. That just looks like so nice, so beautiful. So I ordered it right away, and ever since then, I've been using it, and that was like 2 years ago when she first started YouTube, so shout out to Kenna for that. But it like does a very natural job at kind of like filling in your eyebrows, which I really like, and it also brushes them out, which I think is really cool. So once that is done, I go on to eyeshadow. Now I have a few different palettes. Since this is gonna be Vogue, I'm going to do more of a natural look today. So I have my Tartelette Little Bloom palette, and then I also have my Pretty Fun and Fearless palette. Now I'm not going to show you that palette because it's very messy and I just feel like that's not Vogue's style. This palette is really pretty. It has a lot of really cute colors and like natural colors, but I'm not going to use this palette, so that was probably irrelevant to show you. I'm going to use this palette, but it has basically the same colors, just with some like sparkle to it. So I go in with a base, and the base is just like a cream color, and I put that all over my crease. I personally am really bad at doing makeup sometimes, and then other times I'm like really good at it, which is weird. So whenever I post a video, a makeup video on my channel, I actually don't think I have any because I deleted them all. But if you've ever seen a get ready with me or one of those videos on my channel, I deleted it because I didn't like it and I felt like no one was intrigued by what I was posting. But I will always start with a base, and when I post one, it's usually the day that I know how to do my makeup, if that makes sense. The next color I like to use in the Pretty Fun and Fearless palette, I'm using the Unconditional and On Fire shade together. And then I just like to get the excess off the brush. You could tap it a few times over the sink, and then I just put that over the base. I feel like it adds a natural look, and then I do the same thing on the other side. Tap it a few times to get the excess off, and then just put it on your eye. Now sometimes I do feel like my eyeshadow comes out uneven and I have no idea how to fix it. But again, since this is Vogue, I'm just going to pretend I know how to fix it and fix it if that happens. So the next thing I like to do is I like to use Queen Bee or a purple color. So I guess I'll show you. I'm really sorry for how this looks. I use this color right here. This color is brown and it has like a tint of purple in it, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it. So I just put this color in my crease. I like having darker colors in my crease because I feel like it makes the whole look kind of like pop. Also, a little tip I have for anyone who has green eyes, complement your eyes with gold. I have hazel eyes and I always wear gold in my crease, and I'll get to that in a minute, and it just looks so beautiful. I get compliments on it all the time and I never really knew why, and then one day I was doing my makeup and I was like, oh my gosh, it's the gold. And my friends were telling me all the time that it was the gold, but I wasn't believing them, but it's really the gold. So now I'm taking gold and I'm putting it right in the middle of my eyelid. And this will make your eye pop if you have green eyes. I mean, it will regardless, but I just know certain colors complement certain eyes. So I'm putting it just right here. Once you do that, I take a lighter color gold and I put it on my finger. And then I just like to put it in the corner of my eye to make that part of my eye pop. So once I do that, then I'm basically done with my makeup. If I don't like the way it looks, I'll go in and like continue adding some color to make it look a little better. So right now I'm adding some gold in my crease to make it pop a little more. All right, so that's okay-ish. So now I am going to go in with my eyeliner. Eyeliner is always a problem for me. So I use this eyeliner right here. It's from Sephora, and I'm just going to be very honest, I cannot do eyeliner for my life. So usually what I do is I spend about 27 minutes trying to do eyeliner. So that's probably what we're going to do. I have no tips for eyeliner other than if the tip of the eyeliner is not like wet enough, literally put it under water for 0.5 seconds or less, and then it's gonna make it like runny. Don't put it on your eye after. Please don't do what I do and put it on your eye. What you're going to do is then get like a paper towel or a tissue paper or toilet paper, and you're going to like dot it off a little, and then you're going to put it on your eye and it'll run through so much smoother. So that's what I like to do if it's ever like dry, because it makes it a lot easier to draw on your eye. But let's just try to do this. I am probably going to fail and then have to start all over. You know what? No. We're going to be positive. I'm going to get it the first try. It's really not that bad. Well, it doesn't look the worst. I'll show you guys how I fix it after. I'm gonna do the other eye first. Do that. Oh, this one looks better than the first eye. Okay, so if you guys can see, they're a little uneven. So what I like to do is I like to get a Q-tip, and you can wet it under water, and then you literally just put it under your eye. You can also use makeup remover if you have it, and it literally comes off so easily, and it looks like very professional in my opinion, and it like kind of like fixes what doesn't look even. And then you can go back in with your little eyeliner and just fix whatever you don't like. And now, to be honest, they probably still don't look even, but it's better. Now for mascara, I use this mascara right here, and I sometimes curl my eyelashes, but I don't have my curler right now, so I just hold it up with my hands for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I just use my mascara, and I like to do 2 coats of mascara just because I feel like it makes my eyelashes look a little longer. And then after I do the first coat, I just go over the top lashes again and just make sure that they are all spread out and there's no like globs in them, just because I don't want that. And then I'm basically done. So now I do my highlight. So for my highlight, I actually use my eyeshadow palette. So I just use the gold that I used on my eye. I don't know what it's called because I used it so much that I can't see the name, but I just put it right here. And I do the same thing on the other side. And then I do a little down my nose and a little right here as well. Then I kind of like wipe the brush off on the paper towel, and I use the shade On Fire. And then I just put kind of like contour under the highlight. I also put some on the bottom of my chin, and also some right here. Now I don't know if this is right, this is just what I do. And then of course some on my nose as well. Then I take this brush right here and I literally just go like this and make it blend in. I guess you can use a beauty blender too. Like I said, we're going to pretend that I'm doing this the right way, even though I'm most definitely not. But it works, and you know what? I feel like that's the most important part. It works. And I basically just do that until I'm satisfied with how it looks. And then if I ever feel like it's like too much and it's not working, then I just get some makeup remover and pat it and then put some powder over it. After I do that, then the last thing I have is lip gloss. So I use this Sugar Rush Couple Goals little lip gloss. My uncle's fiance actually gave me this and I'm obsessed with it. And then I just put it on my lips and I feel like it adds a very nice gloss, which I like. And that is basically it. So I just take out my $400 clips and then just kind of like move my hair around to make it look nice, and I am all set for the day. With all that being said, if you guys liked this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Leave me any video requests down below that you guys want to see, and leave me a comment as well because I do answer every single comment, or at least try to. Thank you guys again. I'm so close to 17K when I'm filming this video and I'm so excited about it. I can't thank you guys enough. If you guys did want to subscribe, be sure to subscribe and join the family. I'm trying to hit 100K by December. I don't know if that'll happen, but I think it can. I believe it can, so we're putting it out there that it will. With all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, not Vogue style.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something